Good morning, class. Let us continue with the lesson The Flying Sikh by Milka Singh. In the last class, in the last video clip, we had reached towards the end of page number 42, that is page number 1 of this essay. Now let us continue. Where we ended last time was Milka Singh's sister Ishar and her family had come to New Delhi Stadium to watch him run, and she is a very proud sister. But she remembers their parents who were no more at that time, and she says, I read, if only our parents were alive to see what you have achieved. So she had a wish that their parents could have been alive so that they should have been as proud as herself by seeing her brother's achievements as an athlete, as an international sports celebrity. How happy and proud they would have been. So she thinks that her father and her mother, they would have been very happy to see their son, that is Milka Singh, achieving such great things in his life as a sports person. I wiped her tears gently, हळूवारपणे. Wipe, अश्रू पुसणे. I wiped her tears gently and tried to console her. To console, to comfort. एखाद्याचं समाधान करणे, सांत्वना करणे, आधार देणे. To support her. I wiped, Milka Singh wipes her tears gently, carefully, lovingly, and tries to comfort her by his words. He says, who can fight fate? Fate, destiny, nasib. So he says, who can fight fate? Perhaps it means he wants to say it was our fate. Perhaps I would never have reached such pinnacles, height, or the highest point in somebody's career, pinnacles of success, if I hadn't endured, tolerated, gone through, sahan karne, experienced. I hadn't endured those early days of austerity, difficult, unpleasant. Austerity and adversity, difficult times. Austerity and adversity is the difficult times. That is economic. Austerity means economically difficult condition, and adversity is the difficult times, problems in somebody's life. So Milka Singh wants to say, to console his sister, that perhaps he says, in case I had not gone through those difficult times, I might not have achieved these things. My sister was unaware, जाणीव नसणे. My sister was unaware of the little surprise I had planned for her. There was a little surprise planned by the brother for the sister. I asked her to put on my India blazer. Blazer, the garment, the coat that the that the players get from the country as a team member. I asked her to put on my India blazer. Once she did, I asked her to put her hands in the side pockets of the blazer. And when she wears Milka Singh's blazer, he tells her to put her hands in the side pockets. I had put a gold earring in each of the pockets, and because there is a little surprise, he had already put two gold earrings in two pockets of his blazer. These are for you, I told her. And he says, sister, these earrings are for you. She took the earrings and just couldn't stop crying. And the sister, when she looks at the earrings gifted to her by her brother, she becomes very emotional and she could not stop crying. She starts crying. Inside the stadium, I ordered tea and fruit for my family. But Ishar demurred, raised objection. She says no. He orders tea and fruits for his family, and she says, "Why are you going through all these trouble for us?" She says, don't do all these things for us. We have already had tea." Her simple remarks filled me with affection, love, kindness, and he becomes emotional also. Awkward, but then was filled with loathing, hatred at people's snobbish attitude, snobbish, proud, pretending. With great love and consideration, careful attitude, I made them sit in the best seats and stayed with them until my event began. And he says, but I neglected the people. I made them sit in the best of the seats in the stadium, and I remained with them until my event began. Ishar asked me where I would run, and I pointed to the track. Then he told his sister that he would run on the track, and patiently explained that the athlete who would reach the winning post first would receive a medal. And he also explained to his sister that the sportsman, the athlete who would reach the winning post, there is the mark of the winning post, and there, in case a person reaches there, a sportsman reaches there, he will get a medal, which added to his glory as a sportsman, which makes him a great sportsman. When I entered the field, Ishar tried to keep her eyes fixed on me. And when he went to the track, his sister was only looking at him throughout the duration of the race. Duration, Kalavadi, period. Duration of the race. I came first as usual, and he says it was as usual, normal for him to come first. He was the winner, but fainted. But he became unconscious, beshuddha hone. But fainted yet again because of the energy I had expended, energy I had wasted while running. My poor sister thought that I had been shot dead by the gun that had started the race. But his sister thought that he had been killed by the gunshot. There is always the gunshot at the beginning of a race. And he thought that her brother had been killed by the gunshot. The she started wailing loudly, wailing kinsarni, to cry loudly when she saw me being carried away. To carry away, nene, घेऊन जाने, carried away on a stretcher. Now a stretcher is brought in the stadium, and Milkha Singh was put on the stretcher and he was carried away. The other spectators attempted to reassure her, samadhan karne. The other spectators came to her and they tried to assure her that her brother is safe, but she was not convinced. But she could not understand and demanded, and she asked that she be taken to me immediately, and she wanted to be with her brother immediately. When she saw me lying down looking pale, when he was there on the bed looking pale with a film of glucose on my lips. Film is here, layer. The doctors had put glucose on his lips so that he could get energy. She cried, I can't bear to see you in this condition. And she says, I can't bear, tolerate, sahan karne. She says, I can't bear to see you in this condition. Veer is the Punjabi word for brother. Please, I beg you, give up running. To give up, to stop doing something. And she requests that he should stop running. When Milkha Singh recovered from that weakness, we returned to the stadium. Again, they come to the stadium to be greeted by vociferous cheers. Vociferous means loud and forceful. But the spectators, they were clapping and they were cheering at Milkha Singh, and he says to his sister, I nudged her to push gently, धक्का देने थोड़ा सा, and he nudges her and he remarks, look at the honor and praise, honor, sanman, praise, admiration, stuti. And Milkha Singh tells his sister, look at the honor and praise I receive when I run and win races. Now he tells his sister, look at the love, look at the cheers, look at the praise I get when I run in a race and when I win a race. If I stop running, no one will bother about me. Bother, take care about me. No one will think about me because I have an identity of a sportsman, of an athlete. But she was still not convinced. But the loving sister was not convinced. She could not understand this. Now we will stop here and continue in the next class. Thank you.